I installed a Tork 1101 mechanical timed switch to control the outlet for my pool filter. The outlet will work manually when I turn the timer switch on, however the dial will not move and keep time. I wired the timer as follows. I connected my hot feeder wire to the number 1 terminal. I connected the black wire going to the outlet to the number 2 terminal. I placed the white wire from the hot wire under the X terminal, and I also placed the white wire from the pool outlet also under the X terminal. I removed the removable bridge between the L and number 1 terminal. The pool filter is 110 volt. Have I done something wrong?
Hello. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. Appears that you have the wiring connections partially correct with the exception of the removable bridge. The timing motor requires the L connection in order for it to move. 2. The hot circuit feed, line side, originating from the breaker lands on L. The removable bridge connects both L and 1 together. Suggest reinstalling the removable bridge and let me know the results. 3. The white neutral feed, line side, from the circuit, main electrical panel, lands on the X. The white neutral wire for the load side receptacle also lands on the same X4, the black wire, load side, for the receptacle lands on 2. Refer to the diagram shown below. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. The next time you have an electrical question, you can also request for me at http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert your electrician. Thanks. Kevin. Your electrician 41440.680690123.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.